Hey there, and welcome to a little surprise in your feed, this bonus episode of the Special Educators Resource Room podcast. I'm Jennifer from Positively Learning, and I thank you so much for tuning in. Now, this is not my usual programming, but I wanted to pop in with a gentle, real-time message because lately our teacher world has been buzzing, and you probably noticed it too. Everywhere I look, there's an amazing professional development opportunity popping up. Free summits, focused webinars, in-depth training series. And honestly, so many of them are incredible. They're created by educators who truly care, who are sharing their knowledge in big-hearted, generous ways. And I am grateful this kind of high-quality PD is more accessible than ever. How many PLCs have you sat through that had nothing to do with your role? And this is the part I want to speak to today. Just because something is great doesn't mean you have to do it all, especially not all this summer. So that's what this quick bonus episode is about. If you're feeling a little tug of war between wanting to soak in new ideas, but also needing to not think about school for a while, you're not alone. I am right there with you. And even though I talk a lot about systems and routines and task boxes, today I am talking about giving yourself permission to be choosy with your professional energy. So if your feed is filled with workshops and webinars and shiny resource bundles, it's not your imagination, it is a lot. And I'm even in one of these summits myself. I'll tell you more about that in just a bit. But I want to say this loud and clear. You're not behind if you're not attending every PD session. You're not missing out if you choose rest over webinars. And you don't have to optimize every spare second of your summer. You are allowed to take a long break, and you are allowed to focus on what you need most. And if you do feel that itch to dive into something, especially if this past school year was bumpy or just plain exhausting, here's my suggestion. Choose one thread to follow. Maybe it's figuring out a better way to handle data collection. Maybe it's finally creating a routine for you and paraprofessionals. Or maybe, just maybe, it's setting up an independent work system that supports your students and gives you a breather during the day. Whatever it is, pick one, just one, and follow that path and let everything else fade to the background. And the next season, next quarter, next year, you can pick another one. So many of these summits have an option to extend the summit so you can do this on your own time. Progress over pressure, always. And just so you know that I am not speaking from a peaceful mountaintop of work-life balance, here's a little peek behind the curtain. We're wrapping up the brand new platform for the Complete Independent Work System Club. Yes, the one that includes the TaskBox Dollar Club. It's been in the works since December, and we are almost done. But there's still quite a bit of work to do before August. And this fall, we're expanding to 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. We're also getting ready for a once-in-a-lifetime trip with 20 people. We have never done anything like that before. And we are getting ready to sell our house as we build a new one, and that's all going to happen in August and September. So if you are barely making space for rest and intention, same here. It is messy, but it's beautiful, it's life, and we're all navigating it the best that we can. Now that said, if setting up an independent work system is your one thread focus right now, I've got a couple of things you might love. A free evergreen webinar. That means you can watch it anytime. There's no pressure. There's no fluff. It just walks you through how to build an independent work system that's going to last all year. I also have a session in the free Ultimate SPED Summit. It's called Setting Up Your Independent Work Systems 101, and it's packed with practical steps and just a little bit of TaskBox magic too. And please keep an eye out. We are so close to launching the new Complete Independent Work Club. If you're on my email list, you will get first notice. It will have everything you need for student independence all in one spot. Let's wrap up with a friendly reminder. Your summer does not need to be one giant to-do list. You're not behind. You're not doing it wrong. Pick your one thread. Soak up what supports you, and then let the rest go. I'll drop those links in the show notes so they're easy to find whenever you are ready. Thank you for listening. Thanks for being here. And thanks for doing the amazing intentional work you do, whether that looks like you're diving into PD or diving into a beach read. I'll catch you next time in the Special Educators Resource Room. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'm dying to ask, what'd you think? Be sure to hit the follow or subscribe buttons so that you never miss an episode. You can find the show notes and links for everything mentioned in this episode at positivelylearningblog.com. See you next week for more special education solutions.